So we are doing Unit 2, Lesson 4 today. If you don't have a whiteboard marker, they're up in the front. So if you want to do that, I will.
Are we not writing in our book?
Let's probably not.
I had this teacher for geometry around sophomore year, so she was a good teacher and all, but most of all, she's a real proud teacher, so she's real excited to teach. So many people love her, and so do I, so that makes sense for all human beings.
The question is, what's going to happen as A gets bigger? We don't have to solve it. The curriculum really just wants us to think about what happens as A gets bigger. Oh, did you do this? This is good. Okay, so can we look at your work? Is that okay? All right, so Sayu solved it before I said anything. She got X by itself. Okay, so here, put your A. So in order for this to be true, A has to be the same size as X, right? Just like if 3 minus something equaled 0, we knew that something had to be 3. Bigger and bigger and bigger. What happens to the value of that negative number? It gets more and more, right? It gets big, it's more and more negative. A gets bigger and bigger. Ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
the price the store pays for HD headphones, we want to find the price the store pays for HD headphones if it spends a total of $2,000.
I wanna read it down.
Okay. So we know, I like this, we need this. We also need that they spent a total of $2,000. Okay, that's how much money they spent on the basic ones. So how are we gonna figure out how much they spent on just the regular ones?
We can, we can try to find the real number.
Yes, we can. And we can do that by finding the difference between these two numbers. So how much money do we have left over? Your $2,000 total. It's still there.
Yeah, that's why I just kind of plugged in a number that would probably work.
This doesn't feel very satisfying.
Yeah, because then it's just like, okay, well, I know. He's hungry.
Where did you get your burrito? Taco Bell?
Taco Lomas.
What?
It's out there by Chuck E. Cheese.
And it's what?
Taco Lomas. It's like traditional Mexican taco.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay, I will try that.
They have tribe tacos there. You know tribeless?
I think I don't eat that.
Yeah, it's like an organ.
So the car, if your friend bought the car in Arizona, where the sales tax is 6.6%. So I think the first thing we have to think about is how do you write 6.6% as a decimal? 6.6% as a decimal. So solve it for P.
Yeah,
So there-
well, we have to have another fee so that we can find what the tax rate is on that.
You have it. You have P's right here. You can factor it out.
I'll figure
Do
it
you remember what I mean?
I don't remember what
It's
that
the
is.
distributive property but backwards.
out. I'll figure it out. So,
Hang on, we had it. We had it. 13,368 equals the purchase, the list price plus.
Bam, retail price.
I think Google overestimated for you.
I'm just bad at math.
Oh, no, you are not. Okay, now we're gonna do the same problem, except in, see those 2 zeros there?
This is our.
That needs to go whoop, whoop, and then put the decimal, and that's where you're adding your 0.
And then that's how we got my answer.
Okay, and I think that's why your answers are higher than Zoe and Metallica.
Nobody else can achieve this, so yeah, other than SpongeBob.
Okay,
Crazy.
here we're
He's building.
multiplying H times W, so what's the opposite of multiplying?
So,
Well, granted, my method would be a little more intensive than erasing it, but
So we're trying to get H by itself, right?
I'm trying to get W by itself.
W? Okay.
Yes, so how do you undo this?
Over 2. And then, wait, 2 divided by 2 is 1, right?
Okay, so, Quentin, this is
Hey,
one.
Logan.
Alright,
Yeah.
but what we're gonna subtract is the 2H.
What?
Leave this
Why
alone
does
for right
SpongeBob have
now.
tiny whities?
God. Is this how he was in the show?
No, he had
Okay,
kids.
so you're subtracting
locked.
2
Oh, what's SpongeBob?
I'm sorry.
H here.
On space, steroids.
You're also gonna subtract 2H over here.
There's his little tie. And he's gonna have his belt on too.
Yeah, minus 2H.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay, and then, so down
I
here,
think that looks like SpongeBob.
I'm concerned
you
for
have
your
P
brain
minus
sometimes.
2H
I am too, dude. I'd make a therapist quit their job.
I did.
equals 2W.
Squidward doesn't have.
Okay, now we want W by itself. And right now, we're multiplying 2 times W. So what undoes multiplication? Yes, so we're gonna divide both sides of this equation by
Gotta give
2.
him like stupid dress lines.
so negative 2.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're gonna divide this by 2 and we're gonna divide this by 2.
Okay.
There you go. That looks good. And then does that have like the swear it had like a K on her.
Logan, what is going on here?
Oh, I got distracted. I was halfway through writing when you signed it.
Oh, I understand that.
Still, yeah.
She does.
So
Yeah, I get it.
It's just a
I
little.
get it. It took me a bit, but yeah, I got it.
It's kind of Johnny.
There's the little.
Okay, but how do, wait.
Okay, we can't quite say that yet,
Now you're drawing.
but what we can say is
So what else
that-
do you do to him? Give him like a facial.
P,
What type of goatee maybe? Ear?
P minus
Yeah, there you go.
2H
SpongeBob really.
divided by 2
He changed.
equals W.
Dude, SpongeBob.
That's what
Oh,
this
God.
Give him a
says.
good big gold chain.
So there you
Oh,
go.
that's
not- What should it say?
Because
on
that,
it? Like,
those two canceled out. That's exactly what we wanted to have happen.
What would it say?
Chrissy Brown. Take care.
Or the
So now,
thing.